Hello, welcome to Coohom Design Tool. As you can see here, we got directly access to the website page, and then you can log in here with your account and password, and then you can have this kind of interface. And if you want to directly get started, you can click here to get a quick access. But also here, we suggest that you can try this kind of access as the workspace, because here you can see your resource or the online resource under your account. For example, here you can have the home page, and also you can click to have those projects that recently you've finished or undergoing. And also we have some more resource like the models and the learning centers for you to try and to have some more help. And here, if you want to directly get started, you can click here just new 3D project. And then if you click directly, it will jump out with the creating. That actually will last with our first step, like creating with the floor plan. You can either upload or draw by your own. Or here, if you just want to hesitate or first trial, you can click here to click off directly access to the blank design case. Or here you can also see some of our demos and examples you can directly create free to use. You can try here with some of the basic functions. And if you want to create your own cases, you can directly click. And then you can see here, actually, we do have some of the basic and the important functions and the steps as well. And also here we got the Canva. On the right side, we can have so many different detail or properties to change. And also here, once you draw anything, for example, if you finish anything updated here, you can keep a good habit as to save, and here to save as a kind of independent case. For example, you can directly to give the proper name here once you finish any updating here. For example, you can click to rename, or you can share, and also you even have these collaborate functions. And if you want to duplicate them here as well, you can click duplicate or delete. So here is the thing. You can make a proper good start.